we've got updates. Remember this? Now, here's another one. Yeah, I turned that in the lathe. No problem at all. Just took me half an hour. Right, let's get it fitted. Let's get the swing arm back together, and let's continue onwards and onwards. So, if you remember the fight I had with this one, I had to weld a socket into it in the end to get it out. Quality welding that. What I'll do to help the next guy out, you know, perhaps in another 20 years, is just put a bit of the old copper grease on. There you go. You can never put, you know, don't want to put too much on, because that will just be, you know, ridiculous. But there we go. That should do it. Okay, that's the right amount of copper slip, I think, on there. All right, let's just let's put it back in the frame. I think that copper slip gag is going to come back and bite me in the ass later. Copper slip everywhere. Look at it. Anyway, that's going in there. Lovely. Nice. Nice. Copper slip over the phone. Right, you're poking out there. You're good. Happy with that. Right, let's get this thing all glued up and the shock and all the rest of it. Check back in a minute. Mallet. Nearly there. Just hold that there. Holding and hitting. Why is that difficult? It shouldn't be difficult. Yes. Right there. Yeah. Come on, you're about there. You just need to come on through, don't ya? Let's twist you in a bit further. Maybe that's what's stopping you. Bye. Right, good. That'll do. So much copper slip. Okay, piece of metal, slightly too big to go in there. So using my new die grinder, I've just notched the corner off of my old scrappy bit of sparky steel. That then fits in there perfectly, and we can just nip that up. I've already nipped it up. We'll get the spanner on it, nip that up. That takes all the side slop out of that. Then we can do the bolt up the other side, and that's an easy job done. None of you told me, did you? None of you said it. Wait a minute, you've forgotten something. Nobody mentioned it. Anyway, I'll take all that back off again and put the rubber chain guide and the chain on. Bear with. That's better. Chain guard thing, chain. It's got to go over. You know, you can't put the chain on after the swing arm's on unless you break the chain, which I don't want to do. So I've got my thin punch in there. So now I should just be able to follow that punch through. Not one-handed though, you can't. So, you know, copper slip. Yeah, that was funny at the time. Let me get that in, and then we'll get you back for some updates. That's better. And there's only a little bit of copper slip absolutely everywhere. That'll be fine. Okay, good. Let's get an MOT. Okay. Say it with me now. We've got updates. Suspension's going back on. Just showing you this. Can I show you that? Oh, that's on the other side. It's marked up. Swing arm, rear suspension unit, and not marked up. So that's all going in there nicely. We'll drop the swing arm in. Mr. Bungie's doing his job there nicely. That's all good. That's all slack still at the moment. Get the swing arm in. No. Get the big yellow springy thing, Zebedee, drop him in from the top, put that bolt through, and put the back wheel in. Job done. Fully rebuilt. Struggling. Oh, that was easy. Did you see any of that then? Right, top bolt going. There's a top bolt there. Which way did you go in? You can come in through this way, I think. Right. Do you want to move? Come and see. Oh, you nearly fell out then. Right. You just need to line up with you. Hey. Something will happen, then that will go in and put the bolt in. and that's that job done. Get all them bolted up. Nice. Okay, that's the rear swing arm all done. That was easy. Anyway, that goes back into that hole. And that all gets done up. I've taken the nut off because I haven't done it up yet. If I leave it loose, I'll never remember to do it up. But that's all tight. That's all tight under there. We'll put the back wheel in and the brakes on and all that sort of stuff another day, because now it's New Year's Eve and this, Happy New Year.